Hi, I am Muhammad Shabuddin. Welcome to the Maximize Knowledge. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the latest updates from the Maximize Knowledge. The hollow moon hypothesis or a spaceship moon hypothesis proposes that Earth's moon is either wholly hollow or otherwise contain a substantial interior space. No scientific evidence exists to support that idea. Seismic observation and other data collected since spacecraft began to the orbit or land to the moon indicate that it has a thin crust, extensive mantle, and a small dense core, although overall it is much less dense than Earth. The hollow moon concept is similar to better-known hollow Earth hypothesis, which was recurring plot devices in pre-spaceflight science fiction. The first discussion of a hollow Earth was by scientist Edmund Halley in 1692, with the first mention of a hollow moon being H. G. Wells' 1901 novel The First Man, and diagram of its hollow moon theory. The hollow moon hypothesis is a suggestion that the moon is hollow, usually as a product of an alien civilization. It is often called a spaceship moon hypothesis and often corresponds with beliefs in UFOs or ancient astronauts. The suggestion of the hollow moon first appeared in the science fiction when H. G. Wells wrote about a hollow moon in his book in 1901, The First Man in the Moon. The concept of the hollow planet was not new, well borrowed from earlier fictional works that desired a hollow Earth, such as the 1941 novel Neil Killam's Underground Travels. By Lewis Hall's academic proposal for a hollow Earth predated that. Edmund Halley's hypothesis he advanced in 1692 was the first one to specify an actual void in the Earth. The Greek mythology with its heads and early religious concept of an underground such as the Christian hell contributed to the ideas of the earth being hollow. It is now considered to be a fringe theory. It is often described in the media as a conspiracy theory, and the concept of the moon as a spaceship is often mentioned as one of David Icke's beliefs. In 1970, Michel Vesine and Alexander Shakarokov of what was then the Soviet Academy in the Sciences advances a thesis that moon is spaceship created by unknown beings. The article was entitled "Is the Moon was created of alien intelligence" and was published in Sputnik, the Soviet equivalent of the Reader Digest. Their hypothesis relies heavily on the suggestion that lunar craters generally assumed to be formed by the meteor impact and generally too shallow and have a flat or even convex bottom. They hypothesized that small meteors are making cup-shaped depression in the rocky surface of the moon, while the larger meteors are drilling through a rocky layers and hitting an armored hull underneath. And the author referenced earlier the speculation by the astrophysicist Isofik Shklovsky, who suggested that the Martian moon Phobos was an artificial satellite and a hollow. This this has since been shown to not to be the case. Spectral, the author Jason Calverton point out that all of the evidence is evidence, all the other evidence is circumstantial, and that is in the 1960s. The atheist Soviet Union promoted the ancient astronaut concept in to attempt to undermine the West faith in religion. The moon, the moon rang like a bell. Between 1972 and 1977, the seismometers installed on the moon by the Apollo mission recorded moonquakes. The moon was described as ringing like a bell during some of these quakes, specifically the shadow ones. The phrase was brought to the popular attention in the March 1970 in the article Popular Science when Apollo 12 deliberately crashed an ascent stage of its lunar module onto the moon's surface, and it's claimed that the moon rang like a bell for an hour, leading to the argument that it must be the hollow-like bell. Lunar seismic experiment, since they have shown in the lunar body, has shallow moon quakes that actually different from the quakes on the Earth due to the differences in the texture, type, density, and the planetary strata, but there is no evidence of any large empty space inside the body. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, like, share, and subscribe.